Hi, I am Arijit. I'm really excited to welcome you to the GRE live demo session at Top 1%. Before we start with the live demo session, I would request you to follow the following steps to get the maximum value out of the session. Step 1. We'll be showing you a set of most recent real GRE questions from the various areas that are tested, namely RC, TC, SC, and Quant. This will give you the required insight into the examination. We request you to go slow and not to mark the answers in a hurry and keep a note of the options you have selected. Step 2. For understanding the GRE traps, we request you to go through the solutions where Sandeep has explained each and every question you have attempted in great detail. Note, if you are unaware of the GRE structure and the scoring pattern, continue watching this video. If you are already familiar with the examination, you may skip the remaining portion of the video and proceed with step number 1. For the next few minutes, I would like to take you through the structure of the examination and the scoring pattern. As you can see, there are three areas that are broadly tested in GRE: quant, verbal, and AWA. The AWA, or the analytical writing, does not contribute to a score in GRE. The AWA scores are in grades that you have to qualify. The remaining two areas, quant and verbal, contribute to a score of 340 in GRE. To get a better understanding of the examination, let's take a look at it section-wise. Quant has got 4 types of questions: quantitative comparison, multiple choice, numeric entry, and data interpretation. In verbal, there are 3 types of questions: reading comprehension, sentence equivalence, and text completion. The total number of questions is 20 in quant and 20 in verbal. The time allotted is 35 minutes in quant and 30 minutes in verbal. Please note, all the questions are jumbled up in both the sections. The examination is section adaptive. Also, out of the 5 sections that are there in the examination, only 4 are measured. And one section is experimental. Either the verbal or the quant will be experimental. So out of the 4 means 2 quant sessions and 2 verbal sections. The minimum score, to understand the scoring pattern, the minimum score in GRE is 260 and the maximum score is 340. So on a linear scale, it is 80 questions and 80 marks. 80 questions because there are 40 quant questions and 40 verbal questions. Now that I have given you a snapshot about the structure of the examination, its scoring pattern, please proceed to step number 1 and get cracking. All the best.